Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a sidebar table of content. To have that created, please install a plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Then go to the page you need to add that bar, that reading bar. I mean the table of content. The table of contents. Then click on this home. Scroll down until you see table of content. Turn it on. After turning it on, you can it will load. After loading, click on it again, turn it on, then you can customize either turning the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. You can even exclude, you can even rename it, increase the size, you can still style it. So this is how it looks like on my side. We can preview the page. So here it is. So you scroll it a bit, then it shows. When you click on it, and here it is. Say hello, new, we speak, this, New York, this. So depending on how you need to close it, so there is no interruption when you're reading. When you scroll up, it disappears. So click here, then you can style the way you feel like from this. For example, you style the colors here, you change whatever you feel like you need to change. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more about on this.